Hmm. Okay. So, I had planned on coming down to spend a little bit of time with my turtle friends and do a video for you guys because, I don't know, I'm a perpetual turnip and I deleted my stream from yesterday. But apparently the universe has other plans for me. And one of them is to not get washed away in the floods. I didn't actually think that it had rained that much, but yeah. So I will have to come back in a couple of days because I think it will take a little bit of time to have the floodwaters dissipate and for my turtle friends to come back. They tend to, I don't know whether they get washed away or whether they go and sort of hide in a little safe crevice until everything's back to normal. They will be back and I will be back. Oh, I think that's Gavin on the other side. Is that you, Gavin? I see you. I'm not going to go over to you because I don't want, it would probably be great viewing if they get swept away, but this clown is not participating in that particular service. Not today. Anyway, I love you. You are deserving of love. You are a rock star. And you should act accordingly. Alright? Don't let anyone treat you like you're not golden, baby. Alright? Mwah. I will see you again. Stay safe, stay warm. Stay unbelievably you. You are loved. Thank you. Come again.